Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put a green screen in any video. So first you pick out your video, any video like these. So just tap on it, boop. Now you just see I've already done one, so just go onto your videos. If you've downloaded, you have to download green screen video. Just pick any from your downloads, whack it on there, and it should be good. Oops. Alright, so I'll show you again. Just do this. That's how you do it. So yeah, this is cool. Please subscribe, please. If you subscribe, you're officially saving John Wick. And yeah, I've just shown you multiple times how to do it. Thanks for watching.